My dear child, I want you to know something very important today. Everything will be fine. Yes, even the things that are worrying your heart right now. Even the thoughts that keep you awake at night. Even the silent battles no one else sees. Trust in me. I see the worries that weigh heavily on your heart. I see the tears you hide behind your strength. I see the questions you are afraid to ask out loud. And today, I am asking you gently, release them into my hands. You were never meant to carry everything alone. Your trust in me is your strength. And the moment you gave me your hand, I began guiding your steps, even when you could not feel it. I am leading you toward peaceful pastures, toward a place of rest, healing, and renewal. A place where your soul can finally breathe again. Do not be afraid of the challenges that may come your way. You will stand firm, and I will never let you fall. I understand that you have felt weak at times. You have felt tired, confused, emotionally drained. That is exactly why I am speaking directly to your heart right now. My beloved child, I am here with you. Instead of getting lost in confusion, instead of drowning in fear about the future, come and rest with me for a moment. Breathe, slow down, be still. Do not worry about the uncertain future. Do not let the noise of the world steal your peace. Focus on what truly matters: your family, your spiritual life, and the health of your soul. Pray more, do good, show mercy, even to those who have hurt you. Yes, I know it is not easy, especially when your kindness is misunderstood, especially when people mistreat you despite your pure intentions. But I tell you this, do not let their behavior change your heart. If they wrong you, show patience. If they hurt you, respond with dignity. If they test you, remain rooted in love. Because your strength is not in revenge. Your strength is in grace. Just as I gave my life out of love, you're learning to fight for what truly matters: your family, your faith, and your purpose. As the world goes through turmoil, fear, and uncertainty, never stop praying. Write the names of your loved ones in your prayers. Speak their names with faith. Share with me your hopes and desires for them. Yes, I already know their lives. I know their struggles. I know their thoughts. But prayer activates your faith. It aligns your heart with my will. While others are shaken by fear, you and your family shall not be afraid, because I will never leave you, and I will never forsake you. Be prepared spiritually, not with fear, but with faith. While many will be consumed by anxiety, you will witness great miracles. Trust my word. Nothing is impossible for me. I love you deeply, more deeply than you can even understand. And I am pleased every time you call my name, every time you whisper a prayer, every time you choose faith over fear. So take my hand, especially in times of affliction. Do not allow problems, threats, or negative thoughts to steal your peace and confidence. When I see you suffering, my heart is moved with compassion. Your sincere heart touches me. Your silent prayers reach me. And as I have told you before, I will bless you, not because you are perfect, but because I love you. So tell me, my child, will you receive my blessing with faith? Will you hold it close with gratitude? Remember this always. Even in your moments of sadness, I hold you in the palm of my hand. You are covered with my protection, surrounded by my presence, guided by my love. You are my child, and I will never abandon you. Even during storms, even during emotional darkness, even during the most confusing seasons of your life. My plans are higher than yours. My thoughts are eternal, and they are leading you toward peace, stability, and secure prosperity. Life may bring challenges, yes, but if you face them with faith and hope, your entire life will begin to transform. Seek me in the morning. Talk to me during the day, and remember me before you sleep. When you bow your knees in sincerity, heaven rejoices. When your lips open in praise, your soul becomes stronger. And when you pray with faith for protection, for your family, for healing, for peace, Listen carefully to my response. Even if the whole world were to abandon you, I will never abandon you. Even if people fail you, I will remain faithful. My dear child, these words you are hearing are not random. They are life to your spirit, strength to your heart, and peace to your restless mind. This is my way of holding your hand, of reminding you that you are not alone in your battles. Right now, I am blessing you with wisdom. I am increasing your understanding. I am shaping your character, and I am filling your heart with patience. Yes, real change is happening within you, even if others do not see it yet. Even if you still feel like the same person on the outside, inside, I am transforming you. From head to toe, my spirit is surrounding you, healing your thoughts, calming your emotions, strengthening your soul. You will no longer walk toward the same mistakes that once trapped you. You will no longer feel chained to the habits that weaken your mind. I am giving you the strength to break free. From now on, your focus will slowly shift toward goodness, purity, truth, and justice. The temptations that once controlled your thoughts will begin to lose their power over you. You will notice something different about yourself. Your reactions will change. Your words will become wiser. Your heart will become calmer. And one day, you will look back and realize how much you have grown. People around you will begin to respect you. Some will forget your past mistakes. Some will even admire your transformation. Not because you became perfect, but because my grace is working in your life. I am pouring abundant grace into your soul right now. From this day forward, new doors will begin to open for you. Doors of provision, doors of opportunities, doors of peace for your family. I am paving a new path for you, a path free from the fears and tensions of your past. The mistakes that once caused you anxiety will no longer define your future. You will walk into a season of tranquility, a season where your mind rests, a season where your heart feels safe again. Do not be afraid of darkness, lies, or negativity. No false words, no hidden attacks, and no evil intentions can overpower the protection that surrounds you. You are guarded. You are covered. You are protected. This is the reward for a heart that seeks me, for a soul that repents, for a spirit that still chooses faith despite pain. My beloved child, I see everything you have endured, the silent struggles, the emotional wounds, the nights of overthinking, the moments when you felt misunderstood and alone. But hear me clearly. Your story is not ending in pain. You will live, you will continue, and you will rise again. Your mission is not over. Hold your head high. Do not bow before those who try to humiliate you. Do not shrink yourself to fit into the expectations of others. Your dignity comes from me, not from the opinions of the world. Yes, a sea of challenges may appear before you, situations that seem overwhelming, problems that look bigger than your strength. But you will not sink, even when life feels like unstable waves. You will walk forward with faith, and my hand will always be ready to rescue you. Whenever doubt enters your mind, hold on to my hand tighter. Do not let fear speak louder than faith. You can approach me anytime, in weakness, in confusion, in tears, in silence. I will never reject you. I will deliver you from your troubles and guide you step by step toward victory. Even if you must walk against strong winds, even if the journey feels slow, I am filling you with courage and determination. You will fear less. You will trust more. You will grow stronger, because my grace and favor are resting upon your life. Your triumph is not an accident. It is part of my divine plan. So march forward like a victorious warrior, not with pride, but with faith. You're not weak. You are stronger than you think. You are not abandoned. I am with you. I am raising you as an example for your family, for your friends, and for those who silently watch your life. They will see that it is possible to overcome problems, needs, emotional pain, and even the deepest fears. Prepare yourself, my child. A time of happiness is approaching. The people you love will recognize your value. They will see that you are a blessing in their lives. I have poured my grace upon you. I have anointed your path, and I am positioning you as a source of light for others. Through you, I will work quiet miracles, miracles of healing, miracles of restoration, miracles of transformation. But guard your heart carefully. Do not open the door to pride. Do not let vanity enter your spirit. Stay humble, stay loving, stay kind, because I want my love to shine through you, not just for you. It is time for my purpose in your life to begin unfolding more clearly. I wrote your future even before you were born. I know the dreams hidden deep inside your heart, the desires you never told anyone, the prayers you whispered in silence. Nothing is forgotten. Every prayer for your loved ones is recorded. Every tear has meaning. Every act of faith has value. For everything, there is a season, and your season of blessing is drawing closer. My desire is to bless you, to open doors for you, to increase your wisdom, your faith, your humility, and your patience. You're planted exactly where you need to grow, even if you don't understand it yet. The map to your blessings is already in your hands. My word, my guidance, and your faith. Keep them in your heart. Protect them. Live by them. And if your past was filled with failures, if you gave up many times, if you lost opportunities and good things, do not live chained to yesterday. Say this within your heart. My past is behind me. From now on, my life, my family, and my future will be blessed. Speak it with faith. Believe it with conviction. Because your past does not control your destiny. Your faith does. My dear child, never be ashamed to speak my word. There is life in my promises. There is power in your faith. And there are supernatural answers prepared for you. When you face an obstacle that seems impossible, I will give you the wisdom to overcome it. When the path looks unclear, my light will guide your steps. Remember this always. I am with you. I am loving you. I am guiding you. And I am blessing you, even in ways you cannot yet see. You are not alone on this journey. Walk in faith, and you will begin to experience the miraculous. Not always in loud and dramatic ways, but in quiet protection, unexpected solutions, and inner peace that the world cannot explain. Doubts that once troubled your mind will slowly disappear. The fear of destruction, failure, and loss will lose its grip on your thoughts. Even when you make mistakes, do not run away from me. I dwell in your heart. I carry forgiveness. I carry mercy. And I carry divine strength for your life and your family. Hear me clearly. The days filled with constant fear are coming to an end. I am removing the heaviness from your heart. I am silencing the voice of anxiety. I am breaking the cycle of sadness that has followed you for so long. Surrender yourself to me completely, not with doubt, not with hesitation, but with full trust, because I wrote and sealed your promise, even before you were born. I love you, and no one can truly harm what is protected by my hand. I will deliver you from your troubles. I will provide the solutions you have been praying for. And even now, my love is being manifested in your life in ways you may not notice yet. Better days are coming. Prepare your heart for blessings. Do not fill your mind with complaints and defeat. Instead, fill your thoughts with hope. Fill your words with faith. Fill your soul with expectation. Do not allow negative judgments, fear, or darkness to control your emotions. Let your being be illuminated by the light of my promises. The pain you have been carrying will not last forever. The waiting season is not wasted. Your silent endurance has meaning. You waited. You endured. You remained strong even in silence. And soon, you will see that it was all worth it. Your reward is approaching. The fruits of your patience are forming. and the dawn of your answer is closer than you think. Your liberation is near. The sadness that once overwhelmed your soul is being uprooted from the very root. The hidden anguish inside your heart is being healed by my presence right now. Feel my peace covering your mind. Feel my comfort embracing your soul. Imagine my hand gently resting upon your head, removing fear, stress, and emotional pain. I declare healing over your thoughts, healing over your heart, healing over your body and spirit. All mental heaviness, hidden sorrow, and silent suffering are being lifted. You are not meant to live in constant fear. You are meant to live in peace, in joy, in purpose. I am your Father, your protector, your provider, and your healer. The life I gave you was never meant to be lived in darkness and despair, but in hope, love, and meaningful joy with the people you love. So wake up each morning with courage. Step into the light of a new day. Let the sun touch your face and remind you that you are still here for a reason. Raise your head without shame. Raise your faith without fear, and declare with confidence, my God is my strength, my healer, and my shepherd. My word will be the lamp that guides your path, and the light that leads you to new opportunities, restoration, and prosperity. But before you reach that new season, your fear must fade, your soul must heal, and your emotions must find balance. You cannot receive new blessings while holding on to old fears. You cannot move forward while constantly looking back at your past. Leave the past behind, my child. Give yourself a new beginning. Your sadness, your distress, your pain, they do not define your future anymore. Rest in me. Trust in me. Lean on me. Even in moments when you feel weak, even when you think you have failed, remember this truth. My grace is infinite. My mercy is unconditional, and my love for you never changes. I did not fail you before, and I will not fail you now. When your heart aches, when your soul feels tired, when your mind feels overwhelmed, open your eyes with hope. Listen to my voice again, and you will find strength for another day. Because I truly have a future of peace and joy prepared for you. No one can break you, for I will lift you up. No one can defeat you, for I will protect you. No one can curse you, for I will bless you. No one can shame you, for I will support you. I watch over my children, and you are one of them. So do not be afraid. Take a leap of faith toward your dreams. Believe in greater things, and walk forward with courage. I created you with purpose. I placed strength inside you, and I filled you with a spirit capable of overcoming anything. Stand up, strengthen your faith, and enter this new season with confidence. You're not ordinary. You carry my presence within you. Even if others see you as simple, deep inside, your spirit holds divine strength. Now raise your faith to a higher level. Guard your heart from negativity. Protect your mind from despair. And keep your soul connected to me. Great things are still ahead of you. Transformation is already happening, and miracles will unfold at the right time. My dear child, I am removing the deep sadness from your heart. I am replacing it with divine joy. I am filling you with new energy, new courage, and new peace. From today onward, you will walk with greater confidence. You will feel calmer, stronger, more hopeful. And whenever you feel alone, remember these words. I am always with you. I am guiding you. I am protecting you. And I am blessing you. Your future is secure in my hands. Your family is covered by my grace. And your life has a purpose that will be fulfilled. Trust me completely. Walk in faith daily, and you will experience peace, miracles, and divine favor. Now, receive this with an open heart. Better days are coming. Healing is here. Peace is entering your life, and blessings are already on their way. I love you deeply, forever and always.
Like, subscribe, and comment amen, and may Jesus fill your life with peace, blessings, and happiness.